Go back to our website, plugins, add new. Just if anybody hears this video outside of this class, it's Joost. I say Yoast, but it's Joost. Y-O-A-S-T. Okay, install his SEO plugin. Activate it. Okay. Add new. For caching. And I use W3 Total Cache. You can try the other one. Sometimes some servers that your host prefer other plugins. So I'll install now. Activate. Now there's a lot of settings to activate in W3 Total Cache, but I won't get into that. We have SEO, caching, Google Analytics, and I'm going to show you a good one outside the scope of this class. But if we go plugins, add new, it's called WordFence. Okay. It's the best security I could find. There might be better, some that you paid for, but this is a free plugin to WordPress that cuts out a lot of hack attempts on your website. So say somebody tried to log into your website, failed password, failed password, failed password. This program would actually block the IP from trying again for a certain period of time. Okay, activate. There's some configuration to do. Just on its basic install as it is, it's a lot better than having that. And probably the biggest weakness of WordPress is the amount of times it gets hacked. No thanks to the premium for now. Okay, it's doing a scan. So we've got plugins are installed. Now we're over here setting up some ads for my business plan page. Now we're going to go back and put, those are kind of some technical things. We're going to go back here and pages. So if we look at our website right now, we have really no content. There's nothing. So we're going to go new page, and I'm just running off the default template. I'm going to call this page Business Plan Right. Okay. Calgary. Actually, we're already Calgary-business.ca. So the word Calgary is in my URL for this page, so it's called Business Plan Writer. Or writing, make it sound better. W-R-I-T-I-N-G, Business Plan Writing. I have to edit this because it won't automatically keep changing. So this is going to be the final URL of my this page. Calgary-business.ca/business-plan writing. Having hyphens after the domain name is not bad. Okay, so as a word separator. Having them in the domain name can be bad. So the page is going to be a business plan writing. You go over the visual mode, turn that to the H1, some content, 800 words of content, and a couple pictures. Use your imagination. Okay. Now the US plugin down here, focus keyword, this page is all about business plan writing. As we saw in the keyword tool, Google AdWords, under keyword planner, business plan writing, business plan writing. We got writing a business plan template. A lot of people want to do it on their own. How to make a business plan sample, business plan format, business plan proposal, how to write a business proposal. There's a lot of people searching for this. And then a lot of people paying ads as well, or Google suggested. So I'm going to keep it business plan writing. Okay. So that's my H1. So it's going to be my focus keyword. This focus keyword doesn't mean anything to Google, it just helps Yoast do its scoring. So business plan writing is my title by David House. Okay? And my description. So I need content. I need to write a bunch of content here. So what I wrote in here in the description would be good to be up here. So we have 25 years of business plan writing and have helped many Calgary business owners get financing and started on the right foot. I'm not going to write 800 words. Call us today. I'll call to action.